We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and detailed look at the HK Studio Slay All Day Funny Poster, sized at 11 by 11 inches, designed for dorms, teen rooms, and anyone seeking a touch of aesthetic, coquette, or hype-beast decor. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The HK Studio Slay All Day Funny Poster stands out as a decorative piece intended to inject personality and vibrancy into a variety of spaces. Marketed as suitable for teen girls, dorm rooms, and anyone drawn to downtown girl or Y2K aesthetics, this poster is crafted to appeal to a young, trend-conscious audience. Its bold, slay all day message resonates with current pop culture, making it especially popular among tweens and teens who enjoy expressing themselves through their room decor. The poster is printed on a PVC lightweight backer board, which the manufacturer claims is both durable and easy to mount. Installation is straightforward, requiring only double-sided tape, which is included. This ease of setup is frequently mentioned in user feedback, with many appreciating the no-fuss approach to getting the poster up on a wall or door. In terms of quality, the HK Studio poster is digitally printed in high resolution using UV fade-resistant ink. It also features a waterproof lamination, which is designed to help the colors remain vibrant over time and protect the poster from minor spills or humidity. The dimensions, 11 by 11 inches, make it a compact but noticeable accent piece, suitable for a variety of locations such as bedroom walls, doors, or even as part of a larger gallery wall arrangement. The product is lightweight, weighing just over 3.5 ounces, and is shaped in a square portrait orientation, making it easy to fit into most spaces. From the reviews we have gathered, it is clear that the poster has found a particular niche among parents and gift givers seeking a playful, on-trend decoration for young girls. Many buyers report that their daughters, granddaughters, or younger siblings were delighted to receive the poster as a gift. It is frequently described as a cute and playful decor piece that brings a smile and adds a fun touch to any room. Several reviewers specifically mention that the phrase "slay all day" is a favorite among their children, adding to the poster's appeal for the intended age group. The installation process is highlighted as a major plus. The poster comes with stickies or double-sided tape, making it easy to mount without the need for nails, screws, or other hardware. This feature is especially appreciated by those who are renting or want to avoid damaging walls. The lightweight nature of the poster means that it adheres well and stays in place, even on doors that are frequently opened and closed. The product's versatility is another point in its favor. It is suitable for a range of decor styles, including aesthetic, kawaii, preppy, and coquette, and can be used as a standalone piece or as part of a larger collage. Some users have noted that it works well alongside other posters and prints to create a personalized, visually engaging space. However, not all feedback is entirely positive. While many users praise the poster's design and ease of use, there are recurring comments about the materials used. Some customers expected the poster to be made from metal or wood, based on the product images or description, and were disappointed to find that it is actually made from a thick cardboard or plastic-like material. In a few cases, the poster arrived bent or creased, which detracted from the overall presentation. These concerns about durability and shipping damage are worth considering, especially if you are looking for a long-lasting decor piece or plan to give the poster as a gift. Despite these criticisms, the majority of reviewers still found the poster to be a worthwhile purchase, particularly for the price point. The quality of the print itself is generally well received, with most users noting that the colors are bright and the text is clear. The waterproof lamination and UV-resistant ink do seem to provide some protection against fading and wear, although the underlying material is not as robust as metal or wood. For those who prioritize ease of installation and trendy design over heavy-duty construction, the HK Studio Slay All Day Funny Poster is likely to meet expectations. Another aspect frequently mentioned is the customer service provided by HK Studio. The manufacturer encourages buyers to reach out via Amazon with any questions or concerns, and there are reports of prompt and satisfactory responses. This level of support can be reassuring, especially when dealing with potential issues related to shipping or product quality. In terms of aesthetics, the poster is designed to fit seamlessly into a variety of contemporary decor themes. The Slay All Day slogan is rendered in a bold, eye-catching style that aligns with current trends in youth culture. The poster's compact size allows it to be easily integrated into existing decor, whether as a focal point or as part of a larger arrangement. Its appeal is strongest among tweens and young teens, particularly those who enjoy expressing themselves through their environment. The playful, empowering message is well suited to this demographic, and the poster has become a popular gift for birthdays and other occasions. Performance-wise, the poster does what it is intended to do. It adds a pop of color and personality to a room. It is not intended to be a high-end art piece or permanent fixture, but rather a fun, affordable way to update a space. The ease of installation and lightweight design make it accessible to users of all ages, and the included mounting tape ensures that it can be put up quickly and easily. For those who like to change their decor frequently or who are decorating temporary spaces such as dorm rooms, this flexibility is a significant advantage. There are some limitations to consider. The poster's material, while lightweight and easy to handle, is not as durable as some buyers might expect. It may not withstand rough handling or repeated moves, and there is a risk of damage during shipping. Some users have reported that the poster arrived bent, which can be disappointing, especially if it is intended as a gift. Additionally, while the waterproof lamination provides some protection, the poster is not suitable for outdoor use or areas with high moisture levels. Overall, the HK Studio Slay All Day Funny Poster is a well-designed, affordable decor option that appeals to a specific audience. Its strengths lie in its trendy design, ease of installation, and suitability for a range of decor styles. It is particularly popular among parents and gift givers looking for a fun, age-appropriate decoration for tweens and teens. While there are some concerns about the materials and potential for shipping damage, the majority of users are satisfied with their purchase and appreciate the poster's ability to brighten up a room. If you are considering this poster for yourself or as a gift, it is important to have realistic expectations about the materials and construction. The poster is not made from metal or wood, but rather a thick cardboard or plastic-like material with a waterproof laminate. It is lightweight, easy to mount, and designed for indoor use. The print quality is high, with vibrant colors and clear text, and the included mounting tape makes installation a breeze. For those who value trendy design and ease of use, the HK Studio Slay All Day Funny Poster is a solid choice. In summary, the HK Studio Slay All Day Funny Poster is a playful, on-trend decor piece that is easy to install and well-suited to teen rooms, dorms, and anyone seeking to add a bit of personality to their space. Its strengths include its bold design, ease of installation, and suitability for a variety of decor styles. While there are some concerns about the materials and potential for shipping damage, the overall impression is positive, with many users praising its ability to bring a smile and add a fun touch to any room. If you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel.